Hello, my name is Josiah Ray, owner and creator of jraystudios.com. I'm going to show you real quick how to use Microsoft Movie Maker. So here we are inside of Movie Maker, and it's a brand new project, so there's nothing in here yet. The first thing we want to do is add either photos or video. We can do that by clicking on the Add Photos and Video button, or we can click down here. So let's see, I'm going to pick this shot. It's kind of like my intro shot. And as we scrub through, you can see there's sound along the bottom, and it's just me stepping on a dandelion. So we'll wait till I get a little bit out. And then we're going to click on Edit, Trim Tool. And you can see down here, there's the end point of it, the beginning of the clip, and then the end of the clip. And so we're going to drag the end of the clip back in to right about here as I walk off into the distance. I'm going to say Save Trim. And this is a little bit cleaner than using the split tool and then deleting one of the clips, and it kind of prepares you a little bit more if you move up to one of the higher level editors. So I'm going to edit another clip here. I'm going to go to Home, Add Photos and Video, and we're going to select this one. So again, you can see I enter into the shot. We're going to Edit, Trim Tool. We're going to move up the beginning of it this time until I've passed the camera and that shaking stops. So right about there. Say Save Trim. And so now, if we scrub between them, you'll notice it cuts right from one shot to the next. As an important note, these were filmed with a DSLR, and they're in full 1080p HD video. When Movie Maker first opens up footage like this, it's going to take a second for it to kind of work through and conform it so that it can use it really effectively. If you open up a piece of footage and it gives you a little progress bar in the lower left, don't worry about it. It's only going to take a second, and then you'll be all set to go. All right. So we can rearrange these clips if we want. In fact, I'm going to split this one right here, and we can grab one of them and drop it into the middle, or drop the end or the beginning over on the end, and do whatever we would like to do with them. So I hope you've enjoyed this introduction to Microsoft Movie Maker. I'm Josiah Ray.